So that was if we had a monomial. Remember, a monomial is just a single term in a polynomial. But what if you have multiple terms, and how do you find the degree? So let's take a look at that. So what you're going to do, so if you have a multiple term polynomials, how to find the degree? We're going to find the greatest degree of each term. Or find the degree with the biggest degree, and we're going to use that as your degree for the polynomial. So for example, if I had 6ab squared plus a squared b to the third power plus 2b. Okay, this is three terms. And then what you're going to want to do is look at each term separately and find the greatest degree. So this one has, let's look at 6ab squared. This has a squared and then a 1, so this has a degree of 3. This has a degree of 5, and then this has a degree of 1. So what you're going to do is take the degree of the biggest one. So this polynomial is the 5th degree. One more thing before we move on to naming polynomials. We talked about terms, constant term. You might even hear what is your leading coefficient. So if you take a look at the polynomial, you might look at 2x squared plus 3x plus 2. This has three terms in it. It is a second degree polynomial because out of the three terms, the 2 is the biggest one. 2 is your constant, but your leading coefficient is actually the one that leads the polynomial itself. So this number, the number 2, is your leading coefficient. I think, yeah, okay, so that's your leading coefficient. It's the one that leads it. And if you put them into degree order, it's the one with the biggest degree goes first, and then that's your leading coefficient is the number that comes before the variable. If there's nothing there, your leading coefficient would be 1. All right, so let's start naming polynomials. All right, so a monomial has one term. A binomial, bi meaning 2, has 2 terms. A trinomial would have 3 terms. You could also name polynomials by their degree. So let's look at named by degree. So like if your degree is 0, the name would be a constant. And looking at an example, oops, like, so we're looking at the degree, the name, and then an example of what that matches. So a constant number would be like 3. All right, if your degree is 1, we have a linear function. So like 2x plus 1, mx plus b. This is a linear function because the highest degree is 1, and our constant number here has a degree of 0. So this is a first degree, looking like you have 2 terms here. So first degree linear binomial polynomial. If you had 2 degrees, we are looking at what's called quadratic. So like 2x squared plus 2x plus 3. This one is a trinomial because there's 3 terms here. The largest degree is 2, so that means it's quadratic. 4 degrees, quartic. Oops, I missed 3. Let's erase that. I missed 3. Let's go back. All right, so 3rd degree would be cubic. So if I did 2x to the 3rd power, this is a polynomial. It's actually a one-term polynomial, so this is a monomial. The highest degree is 3, so it is a cubic. 4 would be quartic. So like if I did 2x to the 4th power plus 3. So you have 2 terms, so it's a binomial. Highest degree is 4, so it is a quartic binomial. We can look at a 5th degree, quintic. So if I gave you, I don't know, 3x to the 5th power plus 2x to the 3rd power plus 4, this is a 3 terms, so it is a trinomial. Highest degree is 5, so it is a quintic trinomial polynomial. Anything after 6 degrees would be named after the degree. So if I gave us, I don't know, 4x to the 6th power minus 2x to the 5th plus 3.5x to the 4th plus, I don't know, 2x minus 3. All right, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So there's no special name for 5 terms, but it is a 6th degree polynomial with 5 terms, where your leading coefficient is 4, your constant is negative 3. All right, one more thing before I get you guys started on homework. We look at what's called standard form for polynomials. Standard form is that you're going to put your polynomial into degree order. You're going to list them from the highest to lowest degree. So for example, if I give you a problem like 3x squared plus 5x to the 5th minus 7x plus 2. What you're going to want to do is find out what the degree is first and then put them in numerical order. So like this one has x squared, so the degree is 2. This monomial has x to the 5th, so the degree is 5. This one, your degree is 1, and then constants have a degree of 0. So if I were to put these monomials in degree order, highest to lowest, I'd want to rearrange the order so that I have 5x to the 5th. The next one would be 3x squared. The next one would be minus 7x, and then the plus 2. So this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And there's no special name for 4 terms, but it is a polynomial. It is a 5th degree, so it's quintic. Your leading coefficient is 5, and your constant is 2. So I'll put leading coefficient, and then this is your constant. Okay, I think that's it. So I'm going to stop here, and then you do have an assignment on polynomials and their names. So we'll get you guys started on that. All right.